Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find min for group data. The example, the waiting time for 84 customers to have their food served at a restaurant on a particular day is shown in the following table. So we are given class here and the number of customer. Number of customer will be our F. And then the formula for the min will be summation of Fx divided by summation of F. Okay, now we draw table. We list down our boundary, our class here. 1 until 5, 6 until 10 based on the question, and we list down our frequency. Now we are going to find X and Fx. X will be the class mark or the middle point of the class. So how to find class mark? 1 plus 5 is 6 and divided by 2 we get 3. So our class mark will be 3. 6 plus 10 divided by 2. Get 8. We get 13. We get 18, 23, 28, and 33. So now we've settled with the value for X. Now we are going to find F multiplied by X. F multiplied by X is 15, 104, 403, 342, 184, 112, 132. Next, we are going to find summation of F and summation of Fx. Summation of F we get from the column F. We are going to sum up all the value. Then we are going to get 84. Next, we are going to find summation of Fx. Here, the value will be 1292. And then substitute into the formula 1292 divided by 84. And then our mean is equals to 15.38. Okay, that's all how to find mean for group data. Thank you. Bye-bye.